area si no bia no be hwe osefa wonsa bonkum e kire ne fie kwai da bi obi anto agofin so eye nade enti efa nsem a Kennedy Agyapong kon Japan ebe kan fa Bawumia ho no Bawumia so wadofo na omo abe fire back at Kennedy Agyapong ama we abe asem sebe the internal fight in NPP as a party no depending for muntum nancy form because it is destroying the party. I have Penyah block media. Best what I say any demo. Over like video no other one. Put subscribe button and somebody click the notification icon for latest updates. Now bet you the why be there mama. I will comment. Sponsor Baswa. No say for spend your biashe. So it was on 19th January 2026. Anna Kennedy Agyapong ko Japan ko PM Upper East. The honor and I say na oye the campaign. Nema or the can some delegate. Our muninas and tomano normal party flag bearer. And for 2028 general election. Our ambitious. Oh, our problem will be so cause now. You know what? Can emotion pa? What you say? We industrious man of wisdom, man who is business oriented. Just say, also a businessman, or a business oriented man. Or bro. In fact, all the 5 aspirants no me obia qualify. Me train enyadwa. Cause sebi obia will be even wokura wo hwemi. Si edo betena Ghana kunya so na Ghana president. Eye da ya ubenya adibi aya ma oman na nyansa wo. Eti no obia qualify. Obia me no the reason NPP omu internal eyimen kan ho asel eno no. I am not there for A or B or C or D or E. No. I am there for the party. And whoever wins, I throw my support. I don't care. I am there for the party. That's why I've gone so low on this, the internal fight. And someone, Abronya can Kennedy home. And someone, Abwa Papon and Kwasa can for Bawumia or an out of Shimo and Yamasam me found. Omunkum Tokwa, Bawumia Nukuka. Abronya Nukuka on the side of Bawumia. Now to she and Abwa Papon on the side of Kennedy. Omunkum Toka, Omunyo and Yamasam. But a day 31st, party no Penyah flag bearer. Unya flag bearer, I threw my support. As simple as that. But Kennedy echo the campaign and campaign as no. And now be can and send me for Bawumia, but and some unfortunately, chama won't me and a can. But Kennedy echrem say, Bawumia can that some and then be ready serious attack. And because of that, or catch the delegates and more to man. And that was below the bet because Anka Jaima or supporters and the NS man. Because I say me by the internal fight next started, Obia shedan table Bawumia no ne kasa. Say Bawumia throw shot at anybody. The way to can say Bawumia fans abronya niko kamo and throw shot no. The same way and Kennedy so camp Abwa Papon and na Toshimo so throw shots at Bawumia camp. And can you fail deal? It is a basana and can penny for mumudi anymore. If you cannot put your followers to order and yate normal, but can penny for it, you should keep your gentility. Mumma ye who cousin can be mon can be. And I munya followers any dirty job no. Na kamura mumunya dini. But here's the case, Kennedy are failing at this point because when man share emotions so. When man share emotions so. At that point, he lacked emotional intelligence. When man control emotions, asem no kra no enye Bawumia ne kan obi from Bawumia camp chama wuntumi ene kan that sem no. It was a man can chama wuntumi nka. But Kennedy abeje ntokwa nako. Wa man follows am kontokan or no akasa abeje akoko, and that is below the bed. That is I don't kwan the error. I am not condemning, but enye nice. And kunya man follows enye say Bawumia yi nani a abronya mo dirty job. That's the best. That is smart move. And you're very smart. Eba sana penyin ni de eba kra beto you charge you say oh enyo na kan e obi na e kan nsem you can won't me from blame no. But here's the case I say oh penyin no ebi pie fu wadu mu say tom enya nice. But something na chema won't me e kan na Kennedy e blame you Bawumia no no ana Bawumia campus no anyo mu de ntene omo abefa ya bakat Kennedy Agyapong Japan.
Mo afi video kitwa Mr. Romenko. Comment and like na chere wadwene all comment section. Me bo mo hwe video kidomwi a mekasa e dia fasa video ni.
Kennedy ogina we on say yare forma. Akogina akwetia. De babia ni wa o Ghana ha. De ba tintin a nanim se on na draw teletabis kwasiampe nyi oso to akoko yi. Kwasiampe odidi nechi. Wa man the banana back with Yahobi. Kennedy Agyapong Mike on to me so Mike mu. Then send you stroke at Chinensa. Why the bossa dance abegina? Ya bear man no. And a Jimmy Mebunu or we what's not the came up at crying. We in the synagogue glass him. Kennedy said, oh, permanent. Now, no, say, Penyah. They say. I'm going to hello. Kennedy Agyapong. What do Mumba? Everyone is say, Penyah. Ultimate Commission President. Aqua we have a journalist in the board. No lack of stand time. I say, I and be before my
I was young. Abrante, I will see what did you honorable Kennedy at me. Anna, for I say, I could that Bosomen soon. I could have Yanyum Lechino. And on send I been a chair, yea, NPP, my wo atemidi odidi honorable Kennedy eye September ye kwakoto by election our akwatia no and authority Kennedy no di Kennedy attempt left and right and then January ye that sorry ya any form beer 4 months ni or no recommend Kennedy or Agyapong e dey ama NPP for say NPP form delegate for to me and so mkoto abano farmer Kennedy wa bodam o ga say wa dwen no a we use the ma o members na o me empty headed and these members no o ka say na NPP 40 on nipa wo di na tem left and right o Kevin Taylor recommending the ama NPP for so NPP di to me come honorable Kenna wa sora be sound kwasi television so abeka say me Kevin Taylor me na me recommend Kennedy Agyapong de ma NPP for na ma sa ye no fi na NPP for report musuro Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia muye day ye Bawumia na eba wuntimi recommend obia emfa ma NPP for ofu nyansa be na wunim a wo recommend Kennedy Agyapong de na ma NPP for musuo Bawumia munim se Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni nyansa kita no wuntimi enyina no ntimi musuro no and I'm sorry I monto aba ma Kennedy ono na wo business minded monto aba ma Kennedy ono na bo baby nyuma ama youth no enye entwe Munko US Elon Musk o skapa pa the whole US on the Oscar or sawo nyuma che obi US onye president Elon Musk onye president Munko Russia mo se mo hwe Roman Abramovich de no ye owner the Chelsea football club no Roman Abramovich de na oni yacht no a Ghana ye sika for no ebi ehu bi da no Roman Abramovich ono onye president Russia on business minded owoska oye takum owo nyuma che obia ono kwa anya president Russia ni new Roman Abramovich because of the business minded enuntina Putin Russia president edina dinachi say Roman Abramovich business minded intibedi mechi me president ni na me intimi mum mind tell Roman Abramovich edi Putin echi no eti se wo adwen edi bu man anase wo business anase wo nyuma bebria enu nkyere se be president di no enye nyuma wa biu ena chese bit my baby because enuma no obi aba odina no kan me bi enuma bi wei eni di bu man wei eni di bu man wei uni bia wudimi nye president Ghana senke enke business anase enuma ni di bu oman enke Elon Musk ko president of US enka Roman Abramovich enko o president of Russia etimunya no can vote for ni na endis for mu na ye homo obi na manfa credit ma mento aba ni na ye endis for because musu Bawumia mu ye de Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene de ne beba 31st January a edi enim no dabio wo can tell who you obi de ma NPP wo you obi na wo ka say NPP man ya adwini mo mre te say members no wo you obi di na ma ne wo obi a wadi na tem ahoro na so pa na de ne man ne ratem and net be yina my say o me die Kennedy from NPP o can tell about recommend Kennedy or Agyapong e dey ma NPP for her wa bodam bibi how on man ka twa de on pebe gina ne fa Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be gina so go munim se muni competitor muni obi a mbetimi na ayede a compare Bawumia NDC ni obi obeti na compare ndina mo pe Kennedy or Agyapong go munim se ono na ni mo mbre ono na ne nsam doso ono na ni tape ni videos e wo abonten wo di atem o yi kan no ma ho nsam na mfata ti mu benye bia ka go Bawumia di ade na beka fa no ho e di ade e na beka fa Bawumia ho e na Bawulaya e na Bawumia o we preko ntwere mo aye campaign e basintala mo e na Bawumia e we preko no ene o we basintala we nyo no yare hyede mo no o we yare hyede susukuru wa susu afa onua no eno ene be ebe ba wo so munya Bawumia wasem ba akokura enka enti obi ndisi ni bia mo fa Kennedy mra onu na munum senimo mre onu na ne ho nsem dɔɔso pewa some pure, only the one summer ice foods will be bibium, no matter same, no matter can't say Ghana for now, so my go Ghana for your short memory, you move your short memory that. No have a catch room. Be a wooden attempt left and right, ever catch a napier, say, you're fucking it, what damn, one I bet you would want. We are being say will be able to sooner. Go and this and compare a Mokendi for up to date, you will be obey candidate for at the moment 2028, and no now so answer, and no and also young one, they more probe you up under the paper, and yet, Takun for those who NPP are broya so. Takun for my bro so cry. And can quote your Kennedy Agyapong beji can need your mind, wabodam. Siano because I better TV no so say when I recommend Kennedy man watch any watch a bomb wash any watch a referred nation inshallah alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on one person NPP din baba
Kennedy Agyapong say NPP party no men kan crunch no enra mi say NDC for share videos be especially Radio Gold NDC for radio station share Kennedy Agyapong a video be video na Kennedy Agyapong di Bawumia atem abra Bawumia nye anybody bia ma catch mo say campaign no ayeye ene abato ayekoto no NDC for no Kennedy and in some okano the only people it benefits is the NDC as a party na Kekoban is saying and a Radio Gold and a Kevin Taylor and a share Ken videos now Enra Ken could charge tribute to Bawumia so dina so di Bawumia atem so ose Bawumia say adubuahen in 1996 election not oyare so Kofo take advantage of that to become the flag bearer. I was for the research said Dr. Bawumia kraba Ashanti region no on board adubuahen din kra in his campaign. Now obi a okok bo adubuahen din ewe ejra ene kodie was Chairman to me and not Dr. Bawumia. But Ken wakoye video di Bawumia tem can't say me more yatre papa abra asem na wo kampon on kan moment correct Ken video no ye wi a ye bebo wontumi so video a wontumi gitum se eye wo no ene ko kan asem no ne ya show nsem na wontumi kan from Ejra campaign grounds mo da mo Ken video
say adubuahen one contested because na oya this man is a liar today I tell you is a liar you shouldn't vote for a liar. A man who is lying to have power. Wow. Won't hear the history. Adubuahen, occurred 1992. And we winning. And occurred general election. And we lose. 1996. The former black flag bearer, Ejine Kumasi, Kasena Adubuahen Yare. Kofo.
Esika akum Ejine Kwakwanu. Martin Samoa. Ken, who ye kwa internal contest. What in some or catch Bawumia. Now, young Ejra during the campaign, young Ejra ni yenkotie ni oye campaign or board adubuahen din. Moment yenkotie.
Mudie wo. Na boko semudie. 1992 ye di ewura adubuahen. Ani ade ne koye. Ye jitu mu say ya wene enu nti yakotro stolen verdict. Ana yam ya MPs ne so anko parliament. Nenumu yare ka nipa ho yade ya. Enu nti 1996 aya ya running mate ono ano nana se ne wofa. Ne papa ne nana ana 96 ya twintonto ne kosi ne so. Yewura je ekofo. Yade yewura je ekofo ko ye na wo hwe Bema Rollins wababa yeku 1979 wababa yeku 1981 na watena so saa kwakopim 1996 na wone ne ko akansie yekoya ekoto abado na yewuraje ekufo na wanya 39% na duru ba bi abrabomu sa wo hwe ase a na nya wie ya no abrabomu sa wo hwe ase a na nya wie ya no especially in politics when you fail in the elections it doesn't mean say it's the end of your political life eti yamra je kufo ne yamra yasesa ma ye ho no e kire se uko mpremienu a untimi nkobiewu eti yamra je kufo ne Rollins koye na onya 39% no na chese lesson 2000 no onkobiewu
eno ana makohwe no anopa chama untimi nso atirim e wo TV say yes oro na ka ho asem ona board bu ahindin e de ka asem na information na ono chama untimi e relay no was information he retrieved from Akenta Apiamenka no a close ally to Adubuahin back then in 1996 eti ade intro na chama untimi aka na asem na kan utumi koso cameras so etwa trust Bawumia na aka sansem no na wujira so dide na tem eti kan na service a party for no so kokasa 7 previous no because wakoye brain surgery also adwimo kanwa can how would you feel? You know how painful that would be? Enti Bawumia so nipa o mudi na tem a ya ote we nipa NPP for man hwe ya can obi go party no.
Now you know the NPP for Montier ade we ase say te Bawumia ekọ election na se wanya the support from Kennedy Agyapong obe review Montier ase ne because 2024 okọ election 2020 remember 2020 ekufo de call ye NPP for nyina de akomapa etoma no onya 6.7 million vote Mahama enya 6.2 million 2024 ayede Bawumia call ya Kennedy camp ebufu yo man to ama Bawumia nya 4.6 million Mahama enya 6.3 million it meaning say senka MP before jai jimi no ana ye ntoma kramuni ana ye nyesei ana ye ntoma Bawumia ana omu nyina to aba na anka Bawumia be ne 24 the call we ne because we have vote difference na Mahama wanya vote bia in additional onya just 100,000 but Bawumia Akufo vote onya 2020 eso beti boom ema Bawumia in 2024 so tie 2.1 million etinka even omo tuma Akufo in 2020 so obia jayi jimi no ana ye ntoma kramoni ye kramoni we do man na so ana ntoma fulani ni omuja san kwase akeka no ene ko mujina ahwe so ka ye do party ye ntoma party no ene tuma party na party no we ne ya with that 6.7 million people na anka Bawumia be we ne anka yen sende mutifia ndis for church mo sere mo no next time mo be isi munyansa kenya za mutifia mo sere mo no mu the emotions ana mo ke kan kwase asem ye ma we anywhere ke kan kwase asem so eti ana Kennedy so camp mo fan hye mutirimu say Kennedy ne now without the support from Bawumia camp because onu opuli 4.6 million it is never 4.6 cause omo nto ana nka ni ngwase bibi beje de nka be poto I tell you nka be poto eti no obi ehia obi camp eti mo fa wodo nya bibia mesere mo de akoso mo gu party ni mas mo ma ye bre ye na ya TV dance defend mo ma ye bre because basa na who defend it but wow party members say gu party ni mas na ase ni say mo hwe ye yesere mo ada mo hwe ye chira joma me e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.